Today I am reviewing the Dell 24 SE2426H 144Hz IPS gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Choosing a desktop monitor often feels like a balancing act between competing priorities. On one hand, you have high-performance gaming screens that offer blazing fast speeds, but sometimes sacrifice color accuracy or professional aesthetics. On the other hand, you have traditional office monitors that look clean and produce accurate colors, but stutter heavily the moment you try to load up a fast-paced video game or stream action-packed content. Fortunately, display technology has reached a point where you no longer have to pick a single lane. Today, we are diving deep into the Dell 24 monitor, specifically the SE2426H, featuring a 23.8-inch Full HD display, a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a gorgeous in-plane switching panel. This display attempts to bridge the gap between everyday office productivity and smooth, casual gaming. Let's break down exactly what this monitor offers and see if it is the right all-rounder for your desk. Let's start by looking at the visual foundation, the display panel itself. The SE2426H is built around a 23.8-inch Full HD panel running at a native resolution of 1920 by 1080. At this screen size, 1080p is widely considered the absolute sweet spot for everyday pixel density. Text remains incredibly sharp and highly legible for reading long documents or spreadsheets, while images and video content maintain crisp, clear details. However, the real magic lies in the choice of panel material. Dell has utilized an in-plane switching, or IPS, panel. Historically, budget-conscious buyers were forced to settle for twisted pneumatic, or TN panels, which suffer from major color distortion and terrible fading the moment you look at the screen from an angle. With the SE2426HS IPS technology, you get spectacular color accuracy and consistency across an ultra-wide 178-degree viewing angle. Whether you're leaning back in your chair to watch a movie, showcasing a project to a colleague sitting next to you, or utilizing this as a secondary screen in a multi-monitor setup, your colors remain completely rich and true from virtually any position. While color consistency is an excellent asset for daily work, Dell has injected some serious high-speed DNA into this monitor to handle gaming and streaming. The screen delivers a high 144 Hz refresh rate paired with a rapid 1 millisecond moving picture response time, commonly known as MPRT. If you are currently using a standard 60 Hz office display, stepping up to 144 Hz is an absolute night-and-day transformation. The screen updates its image more than twice as fast as a standard monitor, making on-screen motion look incredibly fluid and lifelike. When you're spinning your camera in a first-person shooter, or dragging application windows across your desktop, ghosting and motion blur vanish completely. To elevate this smoothness even further, Dell has fully integrated AMD FreeSync technology. This feature synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate dynamically with your computer's graphics card output. By aligning these two components perfectly, FreeSync completely eliminates screen tearing and choppy frame rates, ensuring a flawless, stutter-free visual experience across work, gaming, and streaming alike. But in our highly digital world, a great monitor needs to do more than just perform well. It also needs to actively protect your health during long computing sessions. Whether you're tracking data spreadsheets for your job or grinding ranks in a competitive game late into the night, eye fatigue is a serious, very real issue. Dell has tackled this head-on by achieving the prestigious TV Rhineland 3-star Eye Comfort certification. This specialized hardware and software integration significantly reduces harmful blue light emissions and cuts out hidden screen flicker. What makes Dell's implementation stand out is that it protects your eyes while preserving stunning color quality without compromise. You don't have to suffer through an ugly, heavily distorted yellow tint just to keep your eyes safe. You get to enjoy accurate colors and crisp contrast while completely eliminating the dry eyes, strain, and tension headaches that typically plague marathon computer sessions. Now, let's look at the physical construction and daily practicality of the unit. True to Dell's legendary design standards, the SE2426H features an elegant, minimalist aesthetic with ultra-thin bezels surrounding the top and sides of the glass. These slim borders maximize your viewing experience, making the screen feel significantly larger and more immersive than it actually is. It also makes this monitor an exceptional candidate for a seamless dual-screen configuration, as the thin borders ensure that application windows glide from one monitor to the next without a massive, distracting plastic gap in the middle. The physical stand offers a sturdy, space-saving footprint that integrates perfectly onto cramped desks or small dorm setups, and it supports a smooth tilt adjustment ranging from -5 degrees to 21 degrees, allowing you to tailor the viewing angle perfectly to your height and seating position. Around the back, connectivity is simple and highly practical, offering 2 separate HDMI inputs. This dual-port layout is a massive convenience feature, allowing you to keep a work laptop and a gaming console or desktop PC plugged in at the exact same time, letting you cycle between input sources at the push of a button without constantly swapping cables. Ultimately, the Dell SE2426H represents an outstanding balance of performance, visual comfort, and everyday reliability. By marrying a fast 144Hz gaming refresh rate and an ultra-low 1 millisecond response time with a pristine color fidelity of an IPS panel, Dell has built a truly versatile display that handles everything you throw at it with grace. When you factor in the robust protection of the TV 3-star comfort rating, dual HDMI flexibility, and a clean, ultra-thin bezel design, it becomes incredibly clear that this monitor punches far above its weight class. Whether you're a casual gamer looking for fluid frame rates, a remote professional seeking a reliable daily driver, or a student assembling a versatile workstation, the Dell SE2426H earns an exceptionally strong, top-tier recommendation.